In Shanghai, some doors lead you into history, others open a new chapter. Hi, I'm Basma. Welcome to ZHANGYUAN, one of Shanghai's most iconic shikumen neighborhoods. Looks like what's happening here now. Colorful flowers, playful beers, artistic details. I really love how these historic spaces getting new life. The newly opened East area introduces new cultural, retail, and lifestyle experiences. At first glance, this looks like a trendy fashion store, but this building has almost a century of stories to tell. Built in the 1920s, this was once ZHANGYUAN's main public hall. Today, it has become a space for a new generation. This is so cute. I think I will buy this one. Historic Shanghai meets modern street style. And now, a little Barbie magic. Oh my god, so many beautiful babies. Which one should I choose? Oh, so beautiful. After exploring neighborhood, it's time for a little summer break. Both Arabica and Matcha Tokyo have created ZHANGYUAN exclusive drinks. Is it a giant inflatable door? Wait, it's solid! Created by Closer, the London creative studio behind the Louis. This artwork draws inspiration from ZHANGYUAN's architectural details. After exploring the newly opened East area, I'm back in the West area, where opened 3 years ago. But new experiences continue to pop up. Wow, I found that in this store, every piece has double happiness. From historic shikumen homes to new creative spaces, ZHANGYUAN shows how Shanghai keeps its memories while embracing the future. And this journey is not over yet. More cultural spaces, art experiences, and lifestyle offerings will continue to open, with the complete ZHANGYUAN project expected by the end of 2027. I can't wait to see what's next. Stay tuned.